Now, the topic here is pass parameter from one page to other page. So let's say we have a two pages. It is just a four steps process. It is in Apex. If you want to pass a parameter from one page to other page, so as an example wise, you take like this. One is um, first of all, we need to create an application here. Create application. Then under an application, two pages is required. One is department page, and other one is employee page. Okay. So first, as I mentioned, create application. So you can first go to app builder, create. Here in the application place, you can choose other options, but you can choose like this. Let's say I'm mentioning as an IT mentor application. In the IT mentor application, I'll include all those. Create application. It will create quickly. Then after that, here is an option, create page. Click on create page. We can select here interactive report. Interactive report it is. And under interactive report, the first one is here, DPT details, let's say, the page name it is. And then here is the place, you choose here a DPT table. That's it. Just a name of the page is the name of the page and then table name. And here is the place. The rest of the fields we have to leave as it is. Create page. The moment you create a page, it will be like this. To choose any, to change any properties or any other links, hyperlinks and all, we can change it. Anyway, for time being, do not go in depth here. Go back to application again, and whatever the page you created, that will come over here. The rest of the three are default: global page, home page, whatever is appearing, login page. These are all by default, it will come. The department details only I just created. Now one more employee detail page I need to create. That is the second page. First create a pages, that's it. Click on create page. As usual, interactive report only. EMP details. And here is the place you need to choose employee table. Then if you want to change all these features, you can do that, not a problem. But right now, not required. Click on create page. Once it is created, if you go back again, you can notice two pages, department details page and employee details page. So two pages are ready with us. As of now, what we did, we created an application and then two pages underlying it. Now, as a second step, what we have to do is, as a second step, we have to make the hyperlink to the department number column. So second step is hyperlink. So for that hyperlink, there should be a common column between these two pages. On that only we have to make a hyperlink it is. Now go to the department number column, the first page only. Here department number, department details, and here is the place, columns, expand here, expand, then only it will come, and department number, here is the place, type. So right now it is saying hidden column, that's why this symbol is there, but we need a link here. The moment you make a link, that link will appear over here. Then immediately what you have to do, there is a target also. Just if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that target. You need to observe here this target link. So once you click on a department, it has to give the related employee details. So definitely you need to give your second page. So second page where we have to give, here is the place. Click on this. Now make sure whatever you are clicking here, that's relevant. Do not click randomly here. Right now I need to select at any cost this employee details page. Click on this. Page number 4 it is. Later we may need to attempt some columns here. We'll come back. Right now not needed. Click on OK. So as of now what we did is we made a relationship. Now if you click on save and run this page, definitely you'll be able to see the hyperlink. So hyperlink is just see, if I click on 10, it has to give employee details. If I click on 20, it has to give the details of the employees. But right now, if I click on 10, the 10 department details only, it has to give employees. But right now it will give all the details. That relationship is missing here, but still hyperlink will work. See, like this. So it is showing all the employees. It's not right actually. Of course, this hyperlink is working. As of hyperlink wise, it is good only. Okay, now third point what we have to do is we need to create a parameter. That parameter will apply a value from department, and then the value from department to employee it will go. So anyway, now third step is what it is. Create a page item. Create page item on the employee page. So to avoid confusion while doing a practice, it will be helpful here. So let's say I'm taking one parameter name, and that is an page item it is. So you can just go to page designer and go to employee details, and then under the employee details, choose here columns, or else like this page we can do, and you can expand or collapse whatever you want. But under a body, right click, you can see here, create a page item here. So through this item only we can pass the parameter values. Create page item. At this moment, it has taken by default p4 underscore new, but you can rename it. You can rename it to somewhere like let's say dept number underscore param. Param means parameter. Then once you rename it, click on save this parameter. Now choose the on top of the page here like this. Once you select on top of the page, there will be a source type here. Source type that you need to select. Yeah, here is the place. Type. Type will be SQL query. We have to take it. SQL query instead of table. So we can take a query here. This is the correct option. Okay. So title type. Let it be all this. under a source place, under a source type, we can say it is a source and type. Source type is SQL query. So inside of it, already query is there. The query we need to filter with a condition where department number is equivalent to colon. Colon is act as a reference, and the parameter we need to pass it. So whatever the parameter is there here, this parameter, go back here. Just paste over here. And again, for this parameter, we need to give a value from the first page. Whatever the value you allocate in the first page, based on that, this query will be filtered and it will give the data here. Once you give this parameter, then click on save. One last step is pending, that is fourth step. Okay. So assign value to the parameter. So this is where it is. It is in DEPT page. So how we can assign here is, first go to the department page and we need to choose that particular column and click on the target link and all we have to do. So go back to application and here is the place department details and choose your department name column. Here is a department number column, sorry. Under a department number, then there is a target option. Earlier also we clicked the same thing. Only attributes is missing here. Page number is fine. Click on page. And here is the place. The parameter which we passed in the second employee, it will come over here. Select this and the value. The value is department number only we have to give. So based on this particular department number, through this parameter, it will go to the second page it is. Click on this. Yeah. All the 4 steps completed now. These are all the 4 steps to pass a parameter from one page to other page. Now click on save. Run this. So once you run it, see if I click on 10, only the related employees only will come. Or if I click on 30, the related employees will come here. So click on this like this. Again, refresh it. I'll go back. Click on 20. Just observe the employee names. Jones, correct? Go back. Click on 30. Blake. See, these are all changed already. So that is a good thing it is. We can control like that. And if you click on 50, if there are no employees, it will not give anything. Yes, it is not having employees. This is the way we can pass the parameter from one page to other page. You just follow all the 4 steps one by one. First, create 2 pages, just 2 empty pages. I mean to say hyperlink that interactive related pages under a single application, and make an hyperlink in the department page. Then after that, in the employee page, create a page item and assign the value to the parameter. It's pretty easy and it's important.